Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how can you create a composition effect using transition in CapCut PC. Alright, so you can select your videos or photos, select edit, for example. So to add a composition, you are just going to select transition, and in trending you can find composition. So this is new project from CapCut, and you have to join progress to be able to use this effect. After download it, just add to the drive and click on the transition. You can see the option right here. You can change for the duration of the transition, and you can apply to all the clips, and you can see for the final result. To make it so cool, you can combine with effect. Select effect you like to see for the final result again. Alright, that's how you can create the composition effect. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.